guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a cooking video. Today, for the first time ever, I'm making elote. I'm a little nervous because I don't even think I have like all the ingredients, but I'll show you what I do have. So I have the corn, obviously, sweet corn. I have mayonnaise, which is like lime flavor. It's not the Mexican mayonnaise, but it will do. I have some tajin, some chili powder, some picante hot sauce, butter, but it's not regular butter, it's garlic butter. That's what I have. And then some Parmesan cheese, a lime, of course, and some Cotija. How do you pronounce it? Cotija. For this recipe, you will need corn, mayonnaise, butter, tajin, chili powder, cotija cheese, hot sauce of your choosing, and lime. Alternatively, you can use Parmesan cheese if you don't have cotija. Prep time is about 30 minutes. Okay, so the first thing I started to do was boil some water. This little ass pot, y'all bear with me. This little ass pot. Honestly, I do still need some pots and pans for my apartment. I haven't even been living here a full year yet, so, you know, I'm about to link that Amazon wish list down below. Alright, they're cooked. I have the cotija cheese. I have my mayo and butter mixture, my hot sauce, my chili powder, and my tajin. I'm gonna cut this lemon up. And just like lather the corn with okay, so this is like the final result. It's not as aesthetically pleasing as I wanted. Okay, this was the final product. About to do a taste test.
He fucking that shit up. Oh, God.
This is so good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment down below and let me know what other recipes you want me to try. I would not say that this was a fail because it actually tastes pretty good. It just wasn't like my best as far as like aesthetically pleasing, but it was good and I would make it again, but it's definitely very fattening and very filling, so I'll try to do some more like healthier recipes. All right, well, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.